Hello dear friends, as you guys know that I am based in Sweden and I've come to India for my surgery. So this is day 2. You can watch of course the earlier videos to see the beginning of my journey. Of course I woke up early in the morning, went to the hospital for the remaining tests which were pending. I collected my reports first from the previous day. It's all automatic, so I got everything from the scanning machine, showed it to my doctor. The doctor said everything is fine, all the reports, and then I went for my pre-anesthesia checkup, which is basically they take details of your medications, what you're taking, any allergies, etc. And that takes some time. And then of course I filled tons of insurance papers because I was going to cover my expenses in insurance, and we were going for cashless facility because then you don't have to pay anything from your pocket. So then I woke up early in the morning. They asked me to fast from 5 o'clock in the morning, and then 6 o'clock of course I went to the hospital. And they keep you literally your stomach empty the entire day, so not even a sip of water is allowed. And after reaching the hospital, it takes a lot of time for the admission process to be done, so make sure you reach way early, and there are of course other patients waiting in queue as well. So once I was admitted, they started all the drips and the saline and all that details. And the surgery took 3 hours. I was given general anesthesia, so I was completely blacked out. I had no consciousness whatsoever. And it is such a blessing to be around family because my mother, my dad, my sister, everybody was with me every moment of the surgery, the whole journey. My husband, of course, flew from Sweden just for the surgery to make sure I'm okay. And everything is really so great. The support system is amazing in India, and the happiness you can see on my face when I got to know that I'm getting discharged from the hospital back to home. And the rest of the recovery of course happens at home. I was kept for 2 days in the hospital, and once the motion is passed, they basically send you home. So let me know if you have any questions. Please DM me if you have so, and stay tuned for more details on my journey.